Hello everyone, I'm Renato Mercado, and for my lesson, I am going to be working in a one-on-one setting. The student's name will be Danny. He is visually impaired. He has to wear glasses. He is considered deaf or hard of hearing, so he will be wearing a bilateral hearing aid. Also, the concerns are that he has trouble reaching, so there will be an aid with him assisting as needed. And the goal of the lesson is for Danny, with no cues, 8 out of 10 times in 3 sessions, would choose yes or no based on visuals that we already know that he prefers and does not prefer. So I'm going to be using these visuals, and he has shown that he does not prefer certain pictures, and I'm going to show visuals that we know that he does prefer. And what we expect is for him to press yes for the ones that we know he prefers and press no for the ones he does not prefer using a voice activated device that we have here. He'll be using red for no,
No.
and yellow for yes.
Yes.
Also, I'll be taking data using this data sheet, and it's going to be yes and no. There's going to be 5 for no and 5 for yes. So 5 for yes and 5 for no. And also, if you notice, there's going to be on the comments, there's going to be 1 for base, which is going to be the first one that we do, and that is going to be controlled. So there's going to be 5 yeses and 5 nos. So that's our baseline that we know that those are going to be the yes and no's answers. Then the next data is going to be a pattern data. So I'm going to show Danny a yes answer, and then I'm going to show him a no answer to see if we have consistency with our first base data. And then the last data sheet I'm going to be using will be a random yes and no. So I'm going to shuffle them and just randomly pick one and see if he knows the yes and the no's, and see if he's just consistent with it, or is he just guessing or just pressing the buttons because he likes the color red or he likes the color yellow. So with that said, I'm going to call Danny over by giving him one of his favorite toys that he likes, a globe that he likes to hold and shake and watch. And then we're going to proceed. I'm going to give him a minute to adjust, get ready, and focus. And then we are going to begin the lesson. One more thing before I want to note that we are working on his behavior when he is upset or frustrated. He starts to cry and pout. So we are asking him if he wants a break, and we give him a 2-minute break if we see him acting that way. We do that by showing him an icon. Do you want break? And then we'll ask him to either tell us yes or no using the voice output device. Okay, Danny, it's time to work. Come here. This time the assistant is going to bring him over and have him sit down. And we're going to let him sit down and hold his toy for about a minute. 1 minute, Danny, and then we're going to get started. At that time, I'm going to get my papers ready, my pen, and my cards separated on yes and no. And now I'm going to remind him, I'm going to ask him what he wants to, after we're done working.
Yes.
What we want, hold on, Danny, hold on. What we want him to do, what he is working for. We're going to ask him. Okay, Danny, time for work. What do you want? Okay, Danny is choosing iPad. There's an app there that he likes to watch. I'm just going to let him know. Okay, Danny, 5 stars. And then iPad. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. I want you to press yes if you like it.
Yes.
And no
No.
if you don't like it. Now I'm going to start with the ones that I know he likes. See if he presses them. Okay, Danny. Do you like it?
No.
Okay, see right there? I know he likes it, but he's pressing no. But even so, on the baseline, I'm going to put a minus on the first yes. I'm going to check that again in a little bit. Okay, Danny, do you like it?
No.
Okay, this time he said no on a object that we know he doesn't like. We're going to mark that with a plus. So it's going to look like this. Negatives when we know it's a yes and he guesses, then he says no. And a plus when we know it's a no and he answers correctly. Alright, this is going to be another yes, and I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, the 4 yeses in a row and see, just to get his gears going so he knows what we expect. The first one is just getting him used to what function we want him to do. Do you like it?
Yes.
And as we give him, I go ahead and on the data sheet I put a plus when he gets it right and a negative when he gets it wrong. Danny, do you like it?
Yes.
Good job, Danny. Nice choice. Danny, do you like it?
Yes.
Excellent. Nice working, Danny. Danny, do you like it?
Yes.
Good job, Danny. Danny, look. You did a good job working. You get 1 star. Good job. You need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more, okay? 4 more and then iPad. Are you ready? Now I'm going to give him the no cards. Danny, do you like it?
No.
Give him a plus for that. Danny, do you like it?
No.
Good job, Danny. Nice working. Danny.
No.
Good. Good job. Danny, do you like it?
No.
No. Nice working, Danny. Good job. So on my first base sheet, I'm going to show what his progress is. It's a little messy. I don't know. Then, now we're going to go to the pattern one where I'm going to give him a yes or a no, yes or a no. See if he gets that right. Danny, you're doing a good job working. Look. You get another star. You have 2 stars. 1, 2, 3. 3 more. And then we get iPad. Good job working, Danny. Okay, here we go. Danny, first I'm going to go with the yes, and then I'm going to go with the no. You ready? Danny, do you like it?
Yes.
Good job, Danny. Then, do you like it?
No.
No, very good. Danny, do you like it?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Danny, do you like it?
No.
No. Good. So, I'm just going to go along. So far, he's got them consistently. Danny, do you like it?
No.
Okay. Last time he said yes to that card. But this time he said no, so I'm going to put a negative on there. Danny, do you like it?
No.
Okay. He said no for that one. Good job, Danny. Danny, look. Look. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Good, Danny. Danny, do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so that was a no. He normally doesn't like that one, but this time he said yes. So we're going to give him a negative on that data sheet. That card. Danny, do you like it?
No.
No. Okay. Danny, do you like it?
No.
Nice, Danny. Good job. All right. So on that one, we can see I did a pattern one, And on the yeses, he has some plus and negatives. And on the no's, he has also a plus and some negatives, which tells us that he's still not getting his target range. He's supposed to get 8 out of 10. And right now, he is at 7 out of 10. Correct without any prompting. Oh, Danny, it's okay. It's okay, Danny. It's okay. All right. Right now, Danny's starting to get frustrated. I'm going to ask him, Danny. Look, Danny, do you want a break? Do you want a break? Show me. Show me. Say, yes, I want a break.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna give Danny a 1 minute break. Hey, Siri, set timer for 1 minute.
1 sec.
Okay, so I'm gonna give Danny a 1 minute timer, and I like to use Siri because once I set the timer, it will repeat it one timer, and it gives like a support. I say it first, and then it's hearing it from an automated tone voice. And one important note that I would like to say about when we give him a break, we don't give him toys based on the EBP that I worked on. It said that not to provide toys when a student asks for break, because now the student is learning that if they want to play with a toy, that they can just ask for break. Which we do not want that. The student wants a break, he gets a break only, doesn't get a break and a toy. Now they're getting 2 things for the price of 1. Doesn't work that way. We don't want it to. Okay, Danny. It's been 1 minute. Time for work. Remember, we're working for iPad. 3 more, and we're all done. So now Danny is returning back to getting ready for work, and so I'm going to reward him for turning it around. He asked for a break, he turned it around, and now he's focused again. Good job, Danny. Good job. Let's count. Look. 1, 2, 3. 2 more, and then iPad. All right. Now I'm doing the last data sheet, and it's going to be random. Let's see if so there's no patterns. It's just going to be whether he likes it or not. So I'm going to shuffle it. Shuffle it. Okay. All right, Danny. Do you like it?
Yes.
Good. Nice, Danny. Good. Good pushing the button, Danny. Danny, do you like it?
Yes.
Excellent. Nice working, Danny. Danny, do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, Danny, you're doing such a great job. We're almost finished. Look, you're doing a good job. 1 more star. 1 more, and you get iPad. Danny, do you like it?
No.
No. Good. Danny, do you like it?
No.
No. Nice working, Danny. Danny, do you like it?
No.
No. Very good. Danny, do you like it?
No.
No. Okay, good job, Danny. Now, even though this is a preferred object for Danny, and he said no, I'm still gonna tell him good job, because he is reaching out and he's touching the buttons, which is part of the goal, that he reaches independently and is trying to communicate. So even though we know when we want him to say yes, the fact that he is working, and we don't want him to create a pattern that I only say good when he gets it right. So either you say good all the time, or a positive feedback all the time, or not at all. Okay, Danny, do you like it?
No.
Okay, good job. Danny, do you like it?
No.
Nice working, Danny. Danny, last one, okay? Last one. Ready? Do you like it?
No.
No. Good working, Danny. Good working. Look, Danny. Look. You earned your 5th star. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. iPad. Nice job, Danny. All done. Okay, the aide's going to take Danny to his seat where he can play the iPad for a couple of minutes because he earned it. And this is his the random data sheet that I took. And it shows that he still is now, on this one, he was 60%. He was 60% on it. But what I have now is I have my data sheets on my baseline to compare my pattern and my random on yes and no questions to work with. Thank you for watching my lesson on using yes and no voice activated device.